Getting a tattoo is an exciting experience. It is an artistic way to express yourself. After getting a tattoo, your skin needs to heal. Using natural products can help your tattoo heal. Natural ingredients are gentle on the skin. They can also speed up the healing process. This guide will teach you how to make your own tattoo salve. This salve is made with simple ingredients. You can find these ingredients at most health food stores. This salve is easy to make and will help your tattoo heal beautifully. Let's get started. To make this healing salve, you will need a few key ingredients. Each ingredient plays a special role in the healing process. Let's take a look. Shea butter is incredibly moisturizing. It helps soothe and hydrate the skin. This is important for a new tattoo. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties. It creates a barrier on the skin. This barrier helps keep germs away from your new tattoo. Beeswax helps to thicken the salve. It also protects the skin. Lavender oil is known for its calming properties. It can help to reduce inflammation. Lavender oil can also prevent scarring. These ingredients work together to create a powerful salve. This salve will nourish and protect your skin. Now let's make the salve. First, prepare a double boiler. Fill a saucepan with a couple inches of water, place a heat-safe bowl on top. Make sure the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Next, combine the ingredients. Add half a cup of shea butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of beeswax to the bowl. Melt these over low heat, stirring occasionally. Once the ingredients are melted and smooth, remove the bowl from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Now add 10 to 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Stir gently to combine. Carefully pour the salve into small, sterilized jars or tins. Allow the salve to cool completely. This will help it solidify. Once the salve has solidified, it's ready to use. Gently wash your hands. Apply a small amount of salve to your tattoo. Massage it gently into the skin. A little goes a long way. You can use the salve several times a day. Be sure to listen to your tattoo artist for specific aftercare instructions. Store your salve in a cool, dark place. This will help it last longer. Your homemade tattoo salve should last for several months. Congratulations! You've made your own all-natural tattoo healing salve. This simple salve is packed with nourishing ingredients. It will help your tattoo heal beautifully. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY recipes.